Hi, this is Emre with another video trading lesson of the week. The other day I made a trade where I got stopped out 3 times and then I decided not to play it anymore. The next day I have seen that the stock price of Facebook even went to new highs of that week. So I wanted to know what the lesson here is. Actually, there was so much to learn from that one trade. I believe it was another trade helping me become a more disciplined, more structured, and more successful trader. I'm sharing this lesson with you because I love to help you also feel you have learned something and identified an area where you can improve and get better. I show you the chart in the trade. That's the Facebook chart of that day. You see I have placed 2 lines here, 2 other lines here, and the last 2 lines here. I also copied the Facebook trades out of the order history into this chart picture here for a better overview. So please ignore the M and APA trade I also made on that day because we are just focusing on Facebook here. Okay, so this first line, the first line here is representing my entry, and it was at 108.18. The expectation on that day was that Facebook will go to higher levels, will go up. And we also talked about the possibility that it will first go down a little bit to then go up. So this is also called to dip and to rip. Yeah, so we also talked about that possibility that Facebook could probably dip and rip on that day, and we talked about that in the live trading room. And after my entry, I was thinking where to place the stop loss here in this trade, in my first trade. And I watched the chart and I've seen that there is a point of resistance of the previous day. So I put my stop loss here. Yeah, to just a couple of minutes later get stopped out here on this level. So that was really the first time where I got stopped out on this Facebook experience on that day. And so as I had the information, the stock price can really first go down a little bit. I was now thinking, where can I place the next entry? And I thought, okay, now it even went more down. So I think that on this next resistance level, it's probably a good point to enter the trade again. And that's what I did. So you see here, that was the stock price 107.87. And what happened is that the market had another idea and wanted to still or continue go down. And that's what it did. My stop loss was this time placed at the level, here around 107.17. And I got stopped out here the second time on Facebook on that day. Yeah, still, I was focused and concentrated on what's going on with Facebook, what will be the next, probable move. And I was waiting a little bit more. And that day I thought, you know, this level here is a good point to enter again the trade. That was at 107.91. What happened is that the course or the stock price really one time more went more down. So really the third time where I enter the trade, and after that the stock price really moves down. So that's even a lesson and something to think about, of course. And what happened is, you see at this level here, which is support level of the last day, I put my stop loss in this third trade and I got stopped out here again. So after 3 times stopped out, yeah, I really decided not to play it anymore, not to play Facebook anymore, and I closed this trade and just looked for some or went for some other trades to do. And later when I watched what happened with Facebook, I've seen that after that, you know, just after the next or the third time when I entered the trade and got stopped out, the stock price really moved up then as expected. Yeah, so then I really thought about it, because I thought there is something to learn and to you know, make a lesson out of it. And so there are a couple of lessons actually to learn from here. One is, as I indicated before, it's talking about the stop losses, where to place the stop losses. So I would say in the future, whenever I know or I have the information that, like here in Facebook, the stock price first can dip to then rip, then it's really a good point to think about how to place the stop losses better, because here in this case it was too close, and so it was not really necessary to get stopped out here. Good. Another thing is, of course, we can here talk about the quality to be persistent, and I think to really be or be able to be persistent, it's very good or important to have a trading plan in place. Yeah, so I have a trading plan. The thing is, it is not 100% defined. So when I trade something like this here, like Facebook, then I was not used to get you know, 3 times stopped out and then to get the reward in the fourth trade, you know, probably in the fourth trade. And that's why I just did not stick anymore with this trade. So it was good, of course, because I did it one time, then I still watched the chart and looked for the second chance and for the third opportunity, best place to enter the trade again. Yeah, but it was after the third time then I had enough, you know, it was not that good for me anymore. So it's really important to have a trading plan and to really define also trades like this. So how to handle trades when they first dip and then probably, you know, rip. So the good thing is also, when you have a trading plan, a defined trading plan in place, then you have more clarity, you have more freedom, and you can actually sit more comfortable in front of your chart. Another good thing is that in situations like this, there is also a strong team with me, you know, where I can really discuss it and to just dive a little bit deeper into what happened, what to improve, etc. So I'm thinking, of course, about the trade I made and what I can improve. But then being able to discuss it and get coached by the professional people at Affinity Trading Institute, that gives the whole thing another level of quality. I get some information, yeah, where I was not aware of and I was not thinking of. So that's really, yeah, a very, very good thing, and where I get a lot of very good ideas and information out of it, so that I can improve really my trades the next time and can see the things, the patterns and the triggers and the setups, yeah, much, much better. Alright, so today this is what I wanted to show you, and that you can be part of the experiences I've made and what I learned. And I hope you also, heard something, have seen something where you think, yeah, this is really something where I could also improve a little bit or think more about it. And that would be a really good thing. So I hope you like this video, and I look forward to see you next time. Have a great week. Till next time. Bye.